The night beckons.
In today's video, we're going to learn to stand a tall tripod for tall cauldrons using branches. These branches were found while driving around the day after a storm. To start out, place something where you plan on tying the branches together. In my case, I used a block of wood. Place all three branches on top of the block, with the center being the last one. Next, we're going to tie a string to one of the branches. Then we want to wrap the string around several times. Finally, we tie the last bit of string to any of the branches. Next, we want to make sure we are happy with where the side branches are pointing. This is going to be where they will end up when we stand the tripod. Once we are happy, we will pick up the middle branch and pull. This tripod is only about 8 feet tall, but you can use this to make cauldrons much taller and ornate.